Hey there, Andrew from Max. I'm here today to introduce you to the very latest member of the Max scooter family, and that is the very impressive Yoga. Now, funnily enough, I'm actually filming this the very last day of spring here in Adelaide. We finally get some good weather after a very cold and wet spring, and it's the perfect time to think about travelling and getting out and about, and that's exactly where the Yoga fits in. So the Yoga, I'll introduce you to my friend Jet, aptly named. As we're talking about travel, the Yoga is fantastic if you want to take it on an airline. You can actually take it on board and there's no additional charge because it actually is classified as medical equipment, so you can actually put that in the luggage hold, no charge. The other really good thing I like with the Yoga, if you're going to go cruising, the standard door widths on a cruise ship are either 58 or 60 centimetres. And some of the more portable scooters that pull apart are typically anywhere in that 57 to 60 sort of range. So they can be a real challenge if you're going to use them on a cruise ship. The Yoga is around 43.5 centimetres wide, so it fits really easily through the doorway. And I'll show you how easily it unfolds and can be used. So with the Yoga, all we need to do to release it is there's a red button down here. We push that. That releases the Yoga. We can then push down on it and bring it all out. So we put the seat down. There's a little clip here that we just release. We can bring the back of the seat up and then we can release the tiller and raise that to whatever height we need. And then we can actually adjust the angle of the tiller like so to get it where we want. So this is a scooter, pretty simple to sort of put together. Then once you've got it, you can sort of cruise around. You've got a range of about 18 k's with this, which is super impressive. Top speed of 6 k's an hour, so it's not super quick, but bearing in mind what it's designed for, it's really sort of that perfect speed for what you need. It uses a lithium battery. Now the battery for these is down here. We release it, and actually a lithium battery, and actually under the seat there's a little pocket so you can put a spare lithium battery, and there's not much to them. They're pretty compact and pretty light. It just slots back in there. The other thing with the Yoga, there's no keys for these, so there's a little button under here. We turn that on, and like all scooters, you've got like the slow speed, or you can crank it up to your 6. Right side to accelerate forward, and this side to reverse. So obviously with the size of these, they're perfect if you're going to be travelling either on airlines or cruise ships. The other thing, because they are such a compact scooter, you can take them comfortably on public transport, and there's no issues. They actually fit under the size criteria that you can take scooters on public transport. And even a small car, these fit really comfortably in the back of a hatch, a sedan. I've got a small hatch and this folds up. I've actually had 2 of these in the back of a small hatch, so they're really very versatile from the point of view of if you want something you can travel around with. The other amazing thing with this scooter, it's so compact and it folds down. It actually comes with its own travel case. So this is included when you buy this scooter. It has the TSA locks on it, so it's perfect for going through the airport. When you put the scooter in, you actually just need to take the armrests off, take them out, fold it down, put the scooter in. The armrest will then sit in on top of the scooter. Zip it all up, and away you go, carrying your scooter. I reckon these will look fantastic under your Christmas tree. If you'd like one before Christmas, please give us a call, 1800 684 277. Come down and test one out, or we can even bring one out to you. Thanks very much for watching. Talk to you soon.